The Bull and the Frog. Once upon a time, there was a farm with many cows. One of the cows was always complaining that he was the smallest. Why do I have a smaller body compared to the other cows? Wouldn't it be great if I was the biggest cow? Just then, a hen that had been listening to what he said spoke. Why does it matter whether you're big or small? I'm much smaller than you, but I'm enjoying life without complaining. Be content with who you are, then you will be happy. Not me, oh why me? If there was just one bull that was smaller than me, I would be much happier. Oh foolish bull. The hen shook her head and walked away. Meanwhile, some frogs were playing at the lake. One of the frogs, who had the biggest body, was boasting. Seeing as I'm the biggest, you all have to do what I say, understand? Why do we have to do what you say? Have you become king? Pretty much. From now on, I'm your king, so you all must follow me. The other frogs weren't happy with the big frog's behaviour. After his conversation with the hen, the bull was constantly depressed by his diminutive stature. Why was I born small? Oh. If I was the biggest, everyone else would envy me. As the bull reached the lake, he saw his reflection in the water and let out a sigh. Just then, wow, it's so big! This is the first time in my life that I've seen such a big animal. What kind of animal has such a large body? No way, I thought I was the biggest animal. The frog looked at the bull and was shocked. What? I'm not big. I'm the smallest in my herd. The bull was surprised by the frogs who looked at him and said he was big. As the other frogs stopped looking at him and started to look in wonder at the bull, the big frog got very angry. What? You think that's big? If I stand straight and puff out my belly, I'm bigger than that bull. No way, your body size doesn't compare with that animal. The bull agreed with what the other frogs were saying. Let me show you, wait a minute. The big frog stood up on his hind legs and puffed out his belly. Okay, what do you think? I'm bigger, aren't I? Of course not. What did you say? Of course not. As he heard what the other frogs said, the big frog breathed in and puffed out his belly even more. How about now? I'm bigger, right? No, you're not. You're still a lot smaller. What? I'm still a lot smaller? No way. The big frog, who was angry at what the other frogs were saying, puffed up his belly even more. The bull, who had been standing there quietly watching, was worried about the big frog. That's enough now. Compared to the other frogs, you're big enough. Not yet. I'm still smaller than you. How about now? I'm bigger now, aren't I? I already said that you're not. That's enough. Don't let him carry on. The big frog puffed out his belly using all his strength. As he did this, he became like a tight ball and was no longer able to stand up. Okay, how about now? I'm the biggest, right? You all must agree. Pop! That moment, the big frog's belly exploded. Frog! Everyone was shocked, and they called the big frog but got no answer. The bull saw the big frog disappear and realized something important. The hen was right. Whether you're big or small, you must love and accept yourself for who you are. The bull went back home to the farm.